it's Kelly, and I'm back with this Valentine's Day layout with my daughter-in-law and my granddaughter and then her dad. They went out on a Valentine's Day date together, which I thought was super, super sweet. So I'm going to start out with that hard paper that you saw me pull away there. That came from Echo Park Lucky in Love, and it's the Lovely Circles paper. And I'm going to take about, I think that total box there is 11 3/4 inches, so a square there. And I have 3 photos here. I kind of like the way they're sitting together with the 3 photos. I found that So Many Smiles Begin With You. I really like that. And then I do want to have just a little something in that bottom right corner, because obviously the photos are taking up all the other quadrants of this, if you kind of think of it that way. But I want something there. So I'm kind of playing around in that card there is from Ellie Studio. The hard paper, I told you what the hard paper is. And then the navy paper is Cardabella. It's White Christmas, and it's the multi-journaling cards paper, but it has a great tone-on-tone dot on the B side of it, so I'm using that. And that's really the way I use this paper, as a B-side paper. All right, so kind of have that, the collage of photos there. I have that idea. And like I said, I just needed a little something to balance it. That pink on the heart card is so light. I still need some dark in that area, and that's what I'm going to do to provide it. Though that sticker is from the Bella Boulevard Kiss Me Just Right journaling stickers from 2012, so glad to be using those. And then I have that bow, which is also Bella Boulevard. It's the Bella Bows in Cotton Candy, and I love using bows on layouts that involve my granddaughter, because her hair is really, really curly and it's long. So up until earlier this year, it was even hard to put in ponytails. It wasn't quite long enough, but now it is. So they can do that. But most of the time she wears 2 little barrettes with bows on them in her hair, and they have them in all sorts of different colors. So I love the bow right now in any of her layouts, because years from now it will remind us of that sweet kind of time in her life. I'm playing with this other pink bow, trying to figure out where to put that. That smile sticker, by the way, So Many Smile stickers, is also from the Bella Boulevard Kiss Me collection. The journaling stickers there. So the pink bow was not working because it was too big, but I did find this blue bow, which is from the Bella Boulevard Cute Clips, the Rainy Day clips there. And then I pulled this other blue bow, which is on the bottom left, or almost bottom left there, which is from the Bella Boulevard Illustrated Faith Cute Clips in Adams Mix. They're really basically the same color, just a little tiny bit different. And I do like how they're bringing the navy into those 2 areas, because there's so much navy in that bottom right that it's nice to have a little bit of navy in the other spot. Now, I'm taking this sticker from that, again, the Kiss Me collection there, and I just cut off the other piece of it there, which I can use later on to add this little scallop. And there's 4 of them. I kind of tore it accidentally at one point, so I'm going to add, I was thinking about adding the other piece in. There we go. Now I've got the other piece in as well. So I now have all 4 scallops in there. I'm just cutting it off the edge, making the stickers work for me instead of the other way around. Otherwise they sit forever. Although frankly, that scallop is from 2012. It's time to get rid of it. It's 10 years old. You know, when I look at it, 2012 doesn't sound that long ago, but when I look at the fact that it's 20 years ago, or 10 years ago, sorry, that is a long time, and it needs to get used up. All right, so now I'm kind of trying to figure out what to do here with some of those pieces, and I grabbed that little sticker there, and I'm cutting it apart. That again is from the Kiss Me collection, And I'm using that sticker that says yours forever. That's the blue sticker there. And now I'm cutting up the other 2 stickers. There's one that will say you are my fave, and that's a pink one. I'm just popping up right there. That's where the title comes from. And then I'll take the 3rd sticker there, and that says I love you, and I'm going to add it in that bottom cluster. So again, making the stickers work for me instead of me trying to figure out how to use them. And I'll just get that in here. There we go, right there. Yep. Thought about it in the other spot, but now it's right there. All right, and I'm just loving, I mean, they're such sweet pictures because my daughter-in-law is super, super close to her dad. He is very close to my grandkids as well, and it's nice to have these photos of them on Valentine's Day documented. Playing a little bit with those clips. I tend to use the clips in this way, by the way, where I don't actually clip them on. I just hide them and then glue them down. All right, so the one thing I want to tell you is that I added a phrase sticker that says date night to the bottom cluster. And then there's a little heart sticker oval that I'm going to add to the left side of that top cluster. Those are also from the Kiss Me Alpha Borders, which is another 2012 thing because it's from that Kiss Me collection. You'll see that in the still shots. Now I am adding enamel dots from the Altenew Glacier Caves collection there. Just kind of, playing, adding 3 into each area. And I decided, instead of navy, I decided to bring some more of that light blue in because I have that, on the left side there, I have that light blue heart, which seems fairly large, but there's not a lot of light blue in other places. So that was a great place to add these enamel dots to sort of enhance that. All right, everybody, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.